Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Park the car, turn off ignition, and engage the parking brake before you begin. Wear gloves to protect fingers and avoid touching the glass with greasy hands. Fold the wiper arm away and hold it 90 degrees from the windshield to prevent snapping back. Support the arm with one hand and use the other to access the blade connection. Do not let the arm snap down onto the glass. Confirm both driver and passenger arms are secure and unsupported to give clear access for removal. Locate the small release tab on the underside of the hook-style adapter. Press the tab and slide the blade downward away from the hook to disengage the clip. If stuck, rotate the wiper arm 90 degrees and try again to relieve tension. Use a flat tool to gently pry stubborn clips, but protect painted surfaces with a rag. Once the clip clears the hook, lift the old blade off the arm and set it aside. Inspect the arm for rust or bent metal before fitting the new blade. Measure and replace with 24 inches driver and 16 inches passenger blade sizes. Align the new blade's adapter and snap it into the hook until you hear a click. Lower the arm carefully and inspect the seating to ensure the blade is parallel to the glass. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the glass to avoid a hard impact. Test by spraying washer fluid and running wipers on low for 3 cycles to verify streak-free contact and secure attachment. Recheck clips after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.